your seat, mirror, and seat. Left here, press the brake, engine. Drive position, handbrake, mirror, blinker to the right. Left back, right back, straight, half turn, check your back, nobody. To the left side here. Speed. Foot on the brake, right, but don't push. And foot on the accelerator. Now 50. Straight. Both hands here. Look, mirror and brake. 1. Now 20. And foot on the accelerator. Mirror, blinker. Here, the first demo, you check side, back, forward, and change. Blinker to the right. Slow down. Nobody. Now this side here, 27. Blinker, brake, bicycle check, pass number 27, and full turn. Slowly. Okay. And blinker to the right. Check. Right, left, right, and we go to the right this time. Okay, speed, blinker, check, and brake. 1, 2, and stop. Now you look at the intersection, you look forward, and then you look here over the shoulder, but on the left side. And we start moving. Let's go to the last lane. Slowly wait the roads appear. Right here, full turn. And blinker to the left. And twice. It's green, so there's a bicycle check. Right, left. Lights appeared, we turn. Number 1. Blinker, bicycle check. Here, past the number 1, full turn. Straight, 1, 2. Slowly, roads appeared. Full turn. Twice. 1, 2. Roads appear again. Full turn. And blinker to the right. Now let's straight first. 1, 2, and look right, left, right. A little bit straight and turn. Once. Straight, change lane now. Mirror, blinker, keep straight, right, back, forward, and move. Keep the right here. Blinker, nobody. Now the C, we have a change lane to the left. So before the number 1, you look at the mirror, blinker, side, back, forward, move a little bit, slow down, and check bicycle, right, left, and turn here. Blinker to the right, slow down, right, left. Someone's coming, we have to wait. Right, left. Cannot touch the triangle, so like this. Straight, speed. Follow. There's no lane change now because we go back to the parking. Foot on the brake. Right, left. Foot on accelerator. to the left now. Knee down. Blinker. Left, back, forward. A little bit and brake. Okay, bicycle. Enter. Blinker. Slowly. Okay. Parking, handbrake, blinker, each. Use the brake, seat belt, your seat, and we'll check right in. Okay, please come here.